Evil rots the core of society and the soul of individuals. Hi, I'm Alan Weinstein, author of Memoirs of a Learning Disabled Dyslexic Multimillionaire. Evil. Unfortunately, today, we are seeing a lot of evil in this world. And what is it doing to all of society? It is putting them on alert. It is making them nervous. It is stopping travel plans. It is changing their entire life. And this evil is coming from very, very angry people. And those angry people are also rotting their own soul. So, my advice to everyone is, you can't be evil. You can't be nasty. When you are not nice to people, when you are angry, when you treat people incorrectly, it's not only affecting them, it's affecting you. Because you walk around with that anger inside of you, and something is bothering you, and you never know what it is. Let me tell you what it is. It's evil that you are allowing to fester within your body and your mind. Get rid of evil. Get rid of hate. You can't hate anybody. You can't want to punish anybody. That's not your job. Your job is to live in peace and let everybody else do the same thing. Do not allow your soul to practice evil. For more information, please visit my website, alanweinstein.com, ALLEN. Thank you very much for tuning in.